What's going on, guys? NSR Productions here. Starting off my process here, draining my coolant. I clean that sucker out. How dirty that is in there. Draining my coolant out for my new SVE radiator. The thermostat change, which is located here. Again, as I said, the radiator. I'm going to replace the upper and lower hoses. I'm going to replace this idler pulley. I've already replaced that one down there. That was screeching before, but this is starting to show some wear marks right here. And the last thing I want is to mess with my belt anymore than it probably already has. I'll keep you updated. Alright guys, so I got the radiator out, fans out, reservoir tanks out. I am replacing the thermostat. I have a new ring in there. Seems like the previous owner decided to get cheap, and there's some gouge marks in there. See all those scrapes up top here? It's not what you're supposed to do. Spend $20 and get a new thermostat housing. It's ridiculous. It was leaking out of there. I'm working on the water pump, changing this idler pulley out now. And I'm waiting on my SVE radiator to come in later today. So I'll keep you guys updated from here on out. Alright guys, update. Got the idler pulley off, got the water pump off. It is a pain in the ass, and that's where I'm at right now. I took a few pictures of all this already, but just want to go over how disgusting these parts are for 17 years. The old thermostat. Alrighty guys, here's a few of the products that I got for the car. The water pump I got all from a local auto parts store. Part number for the 2002 Mustang GT T12380, excuse me, 38, T1238. And it fit perfectly, has its job, comes with a gasket. This was the smooth idler pulley. I've also had the ribs replaced before I did this job. The smooth idler pulley is 89007. Thermostat housing. Part number, if you can find it on here. I don't know if it's the 902-1020. I got the Duralast Gold. It's the high flow thermostat. 1511 9D LG. The high flow had the, as you see there, it was a three-way opening rather than the two. And I also got a, this comes with a gasket. I didn't use the one it came with. I believe the one I had was a Felpro. It was a $6 gasket I got instead. I don't think I kept that bag. Mishimoto brackets from LMR. And this was for the thermostat housing gasket, part number 70801.